Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of t to the power of 3 equals square root of 3 to the power of 3. Solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. So if you have square root of x, this is x to the power of 1 over 2. So square root of t power 3 is the same thing as t power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals square root of 3 power 3 is the same as 3 power 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n raised to the power of n. So we are going to exchange the powers. That means we have t power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3 equals 3 power 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Now, if you have a power 1 over 2, this equals square root of a. So right now, t power 1 over 2 is square root of t raised to the power of 3 equal this is square root of 3 raised to the power of 3. We move this down here. We have square root of t raised to the power of 3. This becomes minus square root of 3 raised to the power of 3 equals 0. Power 3 here. Let's expand. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. And my a is square root of 2. My b is square root of 3. So right now, applying this right here, I have square root of t minus square root of 3 times square root of t to the power of 2 plus square root of t times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 to the power of 2 equals 0. So from here, a square root of t minus square root of 3 times this cancel this, I have t plus this times this, I have square root of 3t plus this cancel this, I have 3 equals 0. So we can equate each of these to 0. Square root of t minus square root of 3 equals 0. And t plus square root of 3t plus 3 equals 0. To solve this, we move this over here. Square root of t equals square root of 3. This cancel this. T equals 3. That's my t1. Now to solve this other equation, I need to move 3 over here and t over here. Of square root of 3t equals this is negative 3 minus t. From here, I take the squares of both part of this equation. So this cancel this. I have 3t equals negative 3 minus t times negative 3 minus t. So from here, have 3t equals negative 3 times negative 3, that is 9. Negative 3 times negative t, that is plus 3t, negative t times negative 3, plus 3t, negative t times negative t, plus t squared. So from here, after t equals 9, plus 60 plus t squared. We move this over here. Our 0 equals 9, plus 60 plus t squared, minus 3t. So from here, we have 0 equals 9, plus 3t plus t squared, because 60 minus 3t is 3t. I can rearrange this. I have t squared plus 3t plus 9 equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we are going to solve for t using the formula method. You write the formula in respect to t. B squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of t squared. B equals 3, which is the coefficient of 3 of t. And c equals 9, which is the constant here. So from here, I have t equals negative e, that is negative 3, plus or minus square root of this is 3 squared, minus 4 times 1 times 9, that is 4ac, divided by 2 times 1. So from here, t equals this is negative 3, plus or minus square root of this is 9 minus 36, divided by 2. So from here, I have t equals negative 3, plus or minus square root of this is negative 27, divided by 2, this equals negative 3, plus or minus square root of negative 1 times square root of 27, divided by 2. So from here, we have t equals negative 3, plus or minus square root of negative 1 here is I, that is iota times square root of 27, that is 9 times 3, divided by 2. This equals negative 3 plus or minus I times. This is square root of 9 times square root of 3, divided by 2. So from here we have t equals negative 3 plus or minus I times square root of 9, that is 3 times root 3, divided by 2. This equals, we can factor 3 over 2 from here. Negative 1 plus or minus I times root 3. So these are the two complex values for t. I can have my t2 equals 3 over 2 of negative 1 plus I root 3. I can also have my t3 equals 3 over 2 of negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex values for t, and this is the real value for t. Now we can decide to verify that button t equals 3 as our t1. So we have square root of t power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. Let's substitute this for t. We have square root of 3 power 3 equals square root of 3 power 3. So from here, we have square root of 3 power 3 is 27 equals square root of this is 27. This and this are the same, so that is it, guys. So this is how you solve this exponential problem, and kindly subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you so much. See you again in our next video. Goodbye.